Mastering idiomatic expressions. Bite the bullet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a popular English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Bite the bullet. This expression has a rich history and is used quite frequently in both formal and informal settings. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. Bite the bullet is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone decides to face a difficult or unpleasant task head-on, despite the discomfort it may bring. It's about showing courage and endurance in the face of adversity, choosing to deal with something challenging directly rather than avoiding it. The phrase, bite the bullet, has a historical background that dates back to the days before modern anesthesia. During wartime surgeries or in field hospitals, patients would literally bite on a bullet to endure the pain of a surgical procedure without the benefit of pain relief. The bullet served as a tool for the patient to focus on and bite down on, providing a distraction and a way to cope with the intense pain. Over time, this literal action became metaphorical, symbolizing the act of facing a tough situation with bravery. To fully grasp the usage of bite the bullet, let's look at some examples. 1. After months of avoiding the issue, I finally decided to bite the bullet and discuss my concerns with my manager. 2. We need to bite the bullet and make the difficult decision to cut costs, even if it means letting some employees go. 3. She bit the bullet and moved to a new city for her job, despite her reservations about leaving her family and friends behind. These examples illustrate situations where individuals confront their fears or challenges directly, despite the potential for discomfort or pain. It's important to understand the appropriate contexts for using this phrase. Bite the bullet is suitable for scenarios involving tough decisions, confronting fears, or enduring a painful process. It's versatile and can be used in both personal and professional contexts. However, it's best to avoid using it in very formal or sensitive situations where its connotation of enduring pain or discomfort might not be appropriate. We hope this exploration of bite the bullet has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English vocabulary toolkit. Remember, language learning is about embracing the nuances and idiomatic expressions that make English so rich and vibrant. Don't be afraid to bite the bullet and use this phrase in your conversations or writing. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.